So your Soundcore K20i not charging, you put it in the case, but there's no light or charging. Don't assume it's damaged. In most cases, it's just a small issue you can fix in minutes. So let's go through a few quick fixes together. So alright, first thing first, check your charging case. So plug it in and just leave it for around 20 to 30 minutes. And now here's the thing. If the case battery is fully drained, it might not show any light at all the beginning, so that's completely normal. So just give it some time. Now let's check something most people ignore. Open the case, look inside carefully. So dust, lint, or even a teeny bit of moisture can stop the charging completely. So gently you have to clean the metal pins inside the case and the charging points on the earbuds. Even a small layer of dirt can break the connection. Now here's another simple but important thing. When you place the earbuds back in the case, make sure they actually sit properly. You should feel a slight magnetic snap. If they're even a little misaligned, they won't charge even if everything else is fine. So take them out and place them back carefully. Now, if it's still not charging, here's the trick that actually fixes most cases. Put both earbuds inside the case and close the lid. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you have to open it again, take the earbuds out, and press and hold both sides for around 8 to 10 seconds until they're reset. After that, put them back into the case and plug it in again. This basically refreshes the internal connection between the earbuds and the case. Finally, here's something a lot of people overlook. Sometimes the earbuds are totally fine, the issue is just the power sources. So try this quickly, switch to a different charging cable, and then you have to try another adapter if you have one, and even test a different wall socket. Because honestly, low quality or weak chargers can fail to deliver stable power, and that can make it look like your earbuds aren't charging at all. So if it still doesn't work after all of this, then it could be a hardware or battery problem. At this point, the only real solution is warranty claim or replacement. And yeah, in most cases, this will fix the charging issue right away. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more earbuds tips and tricks. Thanks for your time.